I'm Mr. Nelson, former social studies teacher here. We're glad that you took time out of what's probably a busy schedule to join us and recognize and support some of the finest young people I have ever met in my 61 years and my 16 years at Commodore period. It is my distinct pleasure to introduce the senior class officers and their dates. Caitlin Wilco's, escorted by President Jacob McCloskey.
Mom.
Senior Class Vice President Alexis Riley, escorted by Garrett Arnold.
I hate that. Sorry. Wow, look at her dress. That's pretty.
Hope Grinnell, escorted by Secretary Treasurer of the Senior Class, Jacob Myers. The junior class officers and their dates. Joshua McQuiston, escorting Junior Class President Julia Moses. Junior Class Secretary Treasurer Anna Marie Berger and her escort, William Fisher.
Aww.
Next we have the 2017 prom committee members. Committee member McKenna Fritz, escorted by Adam Bartnicki.
I never heard of that last name before. I recorded it. Oh, look at her dress. That's pretty.
Committee member Tara Peterson and her escort, Ian Croft. Committee member Haley Bell and Victoria Zachrich.
Aww, I've never seen that before. It's gonna tell us how it is. Oh, they're not far from here now, Mom. Cody Homer and Alicia Octor. Trinity
Patassi, escorted by committee member Ben Scrivens.
Look, Mom. See, we're getting really closer to Alicia and Cody. We're getting closer to Alicia and Cody.
Committee member Abby Kimball, escorted by committee member Zach Helster.
Oh, look at that cool handshake they did. Did you see it? Oh, I recorded it so I can show you. I'm going to put it on YouTube so the whole world can see this beautiful day.
Brittany Schrock, and her escort, committee member Nathan Musser.
Oh, that's Gage Musser's brother. Copper Kid Leader's brother. That's cool. Oh, that's so pretty. It looks like a night sky. Never seen anything that pretty before.
And now all the other prom attendees. Rebecca Owens, escorted by Tyler McCracken.
Whoa, that's pretty. Never seen a shiny dress like that before. It looks like sequin. Those are expensive, aren't they?
Grace Shaw and her escort Michael Bonnet.
Oh, that little girl is happy to see her. This must be her sister.
Jayla Gill, escorted by Tim Miner.
Tim Miner graduated last year. No, that's not right.
Alicia.
Yeah, I think Tim Miner graduated. No, I'm wrong. He didn't graduate last year.
Did they do this before?
Natalie Bubenheim and her escort Davis Gearhart.
Ooh, I thought it was Davis. I've never knew he pronounced it like that too.
Courtney Roberts and her escort Daniel Cernan. Journey Lark, escorted by Benny Byler.
Look at her dress. It's pretty pink and sparkly. It's so pretty.
Isabella McCann and her escort Isaac Grinnell.
Well, we're getting closer to Ellen Rocker and Cody Cromer. I know, Zachy.
Megan Earl and her escort Hunter Resnick.
Whoa. That's a pretty dress. Also sequin. Wow.
Emma Byler and her escort Keegan McCann.
Cody and, wait, they're not on here. Oh, they're gonna take forever. Oh, that's a pretty dress, like Beauty and the Beast style, man.
Ellen Octor and her escort, Frederick Means.
Go, Ellen! That's my boyfriend's, my brother's boyfriend's sister. That sounded so weird. My brother's girlfriend's sister. Whoops. That sounded weird.
Jade Graham and her escort, Lucas Sturgeon.
Good job, Alicia. Not Alicia, Ellen, yeah. Ellen. Good job, Ellen. That was embarrassing. I said the wrong sister. Woohoo! Whoa, that's Braden Grant's sister. That's pretty dress there. I've never seen anything this pretty in my life.
Kylie Bonnet and her escort, James Morgan. Natalie Bubenheim and Bryce Keys.
Go, Bryce! Yo, Bryce! Yeah, boy!
It's all right. Doesn't happen every day. It's okay.
Yeah, we don't go to these events very often. This is the grandest of them all.
Casey Cresswell and her escort, Noah Scott.
Go, Bryce! Woohoo!
Ellen must be waiting for this to come out.
After this, because which one is this?
Bailey Buck and Ben Scrivens.
We're getting closer, Cody's, but it takes forever.
We just gotta look for the names. Right there we go. No more before Cody.
Kendra Harper and her escort, Samuel Wagman.
Oh, Sam Wagner, I heard he's like one of the cooler guys. Oh, that's so pretty. I hope this thing goes the whole way because my phone likes to cut out sometimes. I'm gonna put this all on YouTube.
Alicia Octor and her escort, Cody Cromer.
Go, Cody! Cody! Woohoo! Woohoo! Go, Cody! Woohoo! Go, Cody! Oh, that's pretty dress Alicia's got there.
Molly Lockwood, escorted by Jason McCann.
Go, Cody! Woo! Go, Cody! Smile for the camera! Oh, he did smile for the camera. Cody didn't smile for the camera.
Megan Wright and her escort, Cameron
Cody!
Snyder.
Cody! Oh, there's his dad. Okay, I'm gonna maximize this somewhere low. Wait, where the heck are they going?
Now they want to get their pictures with Cody.
Oh, that's a pretty dress.
Jocelyn Adams and her escort, Casey Clark.
Okay, so we're going to go out too. They're getting extra pictures.
Okay, do I have to go out?
No, you can stay in here, but I gotta go out.
Okay, Zach, Mom's going out.
I gotta sneak out, bud.
Okay, bye, Mom.
Michaela Tobin, escorted by John Graff. Alana Bell, escorted by Trent Hiddle.
Whoops. No.
Brooke Gosnell and her escort, Nathan Bazay. Dayana Reeves and her escort, Gavin Payne. Shay Grinnell and her escort, John Mott.
Shay is my crush's older sister. I'm surprised I got to see her. It's been a while. Oh, what a pretty dress.
Riley Harnett, escorted by Mike Pitts Jr. Rosalie Sapella and her escort, Eric Allen Jr. Summer Walker and her escort, Joseph Fenton.
Oh, that's my friend's sister. Here, Chucky.
We would also like to acknowledge some people who weren't able to walk tonight. Maddie Rogers, Zach Stradlin, Jay Peterson, and Iona Bynum.